Feel like your content's invisible? Let's talk trend tags. It could be your key to finally going viral.
You're putting out great stuff, right? But it can feel like shouting into the void sometimes. It's just so crowded.
So the real problem isn't your content. It's getting the right people to actually find it.
And that's exactly where TrendTags comes in. It's an AI tool built to solve that discovery problem. Their mission? To level the playing field, giving you the keywords you need to cut through the noise.
So how does it work? It's pretty cool. It scrapes what people are searching for right now.
It's built with some serious tech. For you, that just means it's incredibly fast and reliable. And the team behind it, they've built over 115 websites. So yeah, they definitely know what they're doing. Okay, let's get into the playbook, because what works on one platform can totally bomb on another.
Just look at this breakdown. Your perfect TikTok strategy could look like total spam over on X.
Now, let's zoom in on a platform we all know and love, YouTube. How does this work in practice? Using the YouTube generator is a breeze. It's a simple, 4-step process to get optimized tags in seconds. And here's a pro tip for YouTube: less is definitely more. Aim for just 3 to 5 great tags. And don't worry about privacy. You don't need to log in, and they don't store any of your search history.
Okay, let's boil it all down. What's the bottom line here for your growth?
It's about working smarter, not harder. You're using real data to find your audience, and fast. So this tool hands you the keys to discoverability. The only question is, what are you going to unlock?